Wow, I look so good. Hi, my name is Olu and welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I achieve this clean girl aesthetic, keep on watching. Alright, face already washed. The only thing I did, because I didn't do a full makeup routine today, is put this Sally Anders Nourish eye cream under my eye, over my eye, eyebrows, and where my fine lines are. I know it works for me. I can't even tell you what it does. I've been using it for so long. So we got our milk primer. I always put this on with my hands, although I mean other people do as well, but whatever floats your boat, to be honest with you. I use this particular primer because it makes my face really sticky. I feel like that makes the foundation stay on a little bit longer. If this is your first makeup video you're watching with me, that was Giorgio Armani in the color 13.5, and my brushes are from Artis. It's about time for me to shave my mustache, but I haven't yet. So make sure that part is looking as smooth as possible if you too haven't yet shaved your mustache. Like I said in the other video, I guess I'll redo these when I get my favorite foundation back. I do not recommend that foundation. Sorry to that man. I think it smells like gasoline, and so the color is not an exact summer match. It's my winter match. I'm never going to update it because I don't like it. All right, this is where I kind of save my time, is skipping the concealer entirely and using powder. 3 of them actually. This one is the Mercier Translucent in Medium Deep. So even if you are not my skin tone, just go and get these brands. For this one, I would get a skin tone that's close to yours. If you're looking at it, it's like a base. There's a girl named Chelsea Lascani from Selling Sunset or some show like that, and she says she mixes all 3, and I've been doing it since then, and I love it. She actually mixes hers together in like a container. That seems a bit aggressive. Okay, so we got our base powder. Then I do Huda Beauty, and this is Kunafa. So if you're out buying and you're not my shade, buy 2 colors above you. It sounds crazy, just do it. Just do it. I bought both. The color that's my color and the color that's not. All right, under the eye, we just dip in. We just dip in right under the eye. Looks aggressive, I know, I know. 10-minute tutorial. So we are not letting that sit. We're just going to blend that in right now. See, already getting better. And I take it up the side and like, you're just dabbing. Be nice to yourself. It shouldn't hurt. Bringing it down underneath my nose. And see, it just brings a really nice light to my face. Other side, it's at times like these where I feel like I wish I was left-handed. Actually, I think I was meant to be left-handed. I actually do a lot of things with my left, but I'm Nigerian and that wasn't in the cards. Okay, there we go. Don't worry, don't worry. Now I use that same Kunafa color to highlight my face. So wherever you would typically highlight, I put it there too. And right down my nose. And blend. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, you see, we got something going on. And then last coat, just for the under eye this time. This is the Givenchy Prisme Libre in the 001 Mousseline Pastel color. It looked crazy. I know, I'm not gonna lie to you. It looked crazy. I wouldn't believe anyone who told me, but I saw people doing it and I was like, that looks real good. For some reason I always apply less to this eye. That looks even. Kinda. Anyway, like I said, blend, blend, blend. I bring it under my nose as well. Already, you're noticing that it's just starting to look like light. Right now it's still blue. Just bear with me, bear with me. This is one of those methods though that you have to use a setting spray. That's what kind of finalizes the color for me. It's still looking aggressive, that's fine. I add a little bit on the bridge of the nose. All right, that's done for that. Now we just brush our eyes. Again, I said bear with me. And I guess maybe in the grand scheme of things, this is where my powder is setting, but I kind of never thought of it like that. Just brushing the eyes up, using the 24-hour brow setter and Precisely My Brow from Benefit Cosmetics. Okay, now I got them standing up. I let them dry just a little bit. While they dry, I'm gonna put my eyeliner on. And then, now that it's been a minute, I shape my eyebrow with the brush from the Benefit Cosmetics. Same on the other side. Again, I will start getting my eyebrows done soon. I just needed to wait for them to grow out fully. Once that dries completely, I use this to just add brush strokes where needed. This is obviously if you want a fluffy eyebrows. Still looks crazy, I know. Kind of just blend it just a little, pat it in. Then we use our Chanel pressed powder, Healthy Glow Sheer Powder from Chanel. And I like to use a very large stippling brush. And then I'm gonna use this to kind of blend everything together. So technically, in this method, I'm using my actual skin tone as the contour and using things that are a little bit lighter to highlight. I think in the last video, I forgot to show me setting my face with the Urban Decay All-Nighter. Okay, now it doesn't want to see it because I clicked on my face. But let it dry and you'll see that the color has now balanced itself out. Like look, it's literally exactly my skin tone. But let it dry, let it dry. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex to mascara my eyes. It's mascara verb. Oh no, why is it raining again? When was the last fashion week that was so rainy? Like, does God not want us to be cute? Like, I just don't get it. I've been using Better Than Sex. I've been using it for at least 6 years. I'm sure there are new ones out, but I can't be bothered to pay $30 per container to try all of the new ones. But hopefully, I'll start getting them in PR soon. It's very interesting. I started receiving PR emails or PR like requests to be on people's PR. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know how to say it. I just started this thing, y'all. But like, people want to start sending me things. And yeah, I haven't received anything yet. I think the last one I signed up for was Victor and Rolf, which is perfume. I think L'Oreal sent me one. Please, please. If L'Oreal comes trying to give me things, we are gonna have so much content because I love them. See guys, is it not given? Oh, last. When I do this, okay, you have to understand me now. I'm 30, okay? I'm trying to be married. So, the only thing I do after all of this is complete and the setting spray has dried is I now add I now add blush. This is Exhibit A by Nars. It's one of the first I ever got because it shows up so well on dark skin. It's an oldie but a goodie. I literally was walking around in Martha's Vineyard and somebody stopped me by the name of the color of my blush. Yo, Exhibit A! I said, huh? If she's seeing this, you know, comment below if you're seeing this and it was you. I think she's a dermatologist or something, so she really like knows what people put on their skin. I'm like, go girl, you better know, and you better be Nigerian. Little tap to the nose. I do not know why I do that, but I do, just a touch. And that's all. Again, 10 minutes. So we're not doing no eyeliner, no nothing. You get a skin tone lipstick. Something that matches you and you know it does. And that's that. All done. That's my 10-minute makeup. Thank you for watching.